Hey guys, how would you like to go to paradise? Well, that's precisely where I am right now. Besties Vegan Paradise in East Hollywood. Everything here is vegan. Let's go on inside. So I'm here with Asia, who is the co-owner of Besties. So you can tell us a little bit about this place, how it came to be, all the good stuff.
Cool. So we're in Besties Vegan Paradise. We're located in East Hollywood, California. We've been open for about 2.5 years now. My partner Matt and I founded this business in October of 2018. Specifically, we chose to open it in East Hollywood because it's a food desert, and we wanted to bring healthier and vegan options to a community that could really benefit from it. So we opened Besties, and everything in this store is 100% vegan from a company that's 100% vegan. That's not owned by a parent company that ever makes any products with animal byproducts or anything like that. So this has been here, like I said, 2.5 years. And then we last year extended into Besties Zero Waste and took things like one step further. So everything next door is from a company that's vegan, cruelty free, and zero waste to try and really give people a way to vote with their dollar for the world that we all want to live in and champion equality.
That's pretty amazing. Yeah, Cesar was telling me you had like dental floss in jars and stuff like that.
Yeah, all kinds of everyday items, floss, deodorant, toothpaste that we're constantly buying in plastic packaging, and that's often not vegan, that has no reason to not be vegan. So we've got all that next door, and then over here is more like just vegan 7-Eleven. So whether you need chips or mac and cheese, or you want to grab a hot dog for lunch, or you want some gourmet cheeses, or
I heard about the Franks, the hot dogs. That's why Cesar brought us here. And he also said you had soft serve.
We do. We actually sold out of soft serve today. It's Happy Monday, so we always do $4 cups and cones. And but we got you on some hot dogs, definitely. We do hot dogs every day. We've got Beyond sausages, and then we use Bee Leaf hot dogs. But we're always bringing in ingredients from local vegan companies. Like Avocado Mama is a local vegan maker, and she does mac and cheese. We throw that on our hot dogs. We work with the Vegan Hooligans. They're another local vegan. They started as just like a pop-up, but they've got a brick and mortar downtown now.
So they're not at Abby's anymore?
I think they do pop up maybe occasionally, but they're not there full time. No, they've got like an actual restaurant downtown, which is pretty cool. But really wanted to be like a platform for independent vegan entrepreneurs, people of color, women-owned businesses, and that sort of thing. So I would say about 80% of the companies that we support here now are independent, either black-owned, women-owned, queer-owned companies, and it's super cool to be able to contribute to that and help them reach a larger audience and do more shit.
And that's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I'd love to take a look around the store real quick.
For sure. We've got Lagusta's Luscious. They make the most incredible, beautiful chocolates. They're like a 6-person squad, and everything looks different. And then we've got Oregon Bark, which is another woman-owned company. They do kind of like peanut butter, or not peanut butter, Butterfinger type candies. And then there's Fine and Raw, doing vegan Nutella. Charm School chocolates.
Oh, I know Charm School.
Yeah, bean to bar, super, super incredible quality.
And of course, we have V-Dog down here.
Always V-Dog.
Love V-Dog. Zombie Dog, promo code.
Cereal.
Oh, wait, where's the jerky wall? Oh, wow, right here.
Jerky Town.
All the vegan jerky here. What's this? Oh, the bacon bits. I've never seen that. We got the vegan Robs.
Yeah, we've got hot sauces, pasta. This Jada chicken mix. Make your own chicken at home.
Okay, so somebody was just asking me vegan honey, and the other brand's not in business anymore, so this is new.
Bee-free honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been out for a minute, but this is good. I just had the copper one today, actually. Very, very rich flavor. The blonde is nice as well. This one, a little bit hard to get out of that bottle. Haven't tried it yet.
Vegan on Honey is the name of the brand.
That's cool because they make them into different things. This is like date, and then I believe this one is, one's like bamboo and one's coconut nectar.
Is that pudding?
Pudding and Jello. That was a customer request from like a 5-year-old, a vegan 5-year-old came in here and was like, "Yo, y'all don't have any Jello," so we got them.
There you go.
This is like the only sweetened condensed oat milk for any bakers out there. Nature's Charm, woman-owned company. Cakes from Avon's, gluten-free.
Abe's.
Eggs for sure.
Eat pastry. Did you see that they got some new one? They got like a fudge one?
No, I haven't seen it.
Yeah.
I'll have to check that out.
Oh, Daring. I love Daring.
Daring, Mind Blown. Have you seen them before?
No.
Those scallops, if you ever were a fan of seafood, are spectacular.
They have what? Shrimp and.
Coconut shrimp, dusted shrimp, and then scallops out of a konjac yam.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then I have had Annie's, and they are really good.
Jack and Annie's is good. We've got Like Meat. This is Live Kindly's company. They got funding to spin out their own like chicken products.
Oh, nice.
So
Oh, and
cool.
the bee leaf. They make the
Bee leaf,
bacon.
Yep. We got their bacon and their fried eggs and their drumsticks there.
Wait, where's the drum? Oh, right there?
In this
Oh,
box,
right here.
just a little bit hidden.
Oh, nice. Roast.
Forager just came out with their whole line of ice cream. It's really good, all organic, California-based. Eclipse, California-based.
Eclipse. I've never had Eclipse
No,
before.
we used to use it. They started as a soft serve company, and then the pandemic hit, and they had to figure out how to change things up. So they started making pints. But I feel like the Eclipse is most like a dairy-based ice cream of all the ones
I
I've
think
had.
people were telling me that.
Yeah.
Modern Pop just sent me some of their stuff. That's pretty good.
They're
The
good.
fudgicles. And what are these waffles?
Waffles. They're from Colorado. It's just like a Belgian-style waffle with maple in it.
Nice.
Just toast them.
Nadamu has little tiny
Yeah, the little vanilla
3.6 ounces.
mini pint.
That's cool. Oh, the pumfu. So this is the tofu made out of pumpkin seeds. And now they have what, sausage now and
Yeah,
chorizo?
sausage, chorizo, sloppy joe, and then there's blackbird, seitan.
Oh, I love
They're
blackbird.
amazing.
Homemade cheeses and
Yeah, they're not necessarily homemade. They're just like artisan, small batch. Not like mass manufactured. But we've got like Politica is local, Misha's local, black-owned, Utopian, OG woman-owned from Portland. I feel like if you've ever been to Portland and you're a vegan, you've had that.
I've been there.
Wendy's Nutty Cheese, she's amazing, super like intricate flavors. We got Yvonne's Goatless Cheese. I feel like that's one of my go-tos. Rind, woman-owned from New York. They won the 2020 Sophie Award for Best Plant-Based Cheese. That's a good one. Dairy, woman-owned, North Carolina. We brought them here.
Oh, I like how that play on words.
Yeah, right. It's a good one. Barn Cat and the Conscious Cultures Maverick. Those just came in from Philly. They were recently written up in the New York Times. Rebel, woman-owned, Austin, Texas. This is brie. If you ever like cheddar and you like brie, that's definitely the cheese for you. It's mind-blowing. Peaceful Rebel is awesome. Another Colorado company. On Creamery, those blocks are really great. If you just want like a traditional block of cheese.
What about this cheese and thank you? I like that
Cheese
packaging.
and Thank You is amazing. Woman-owned from Chicago. I think we're the only ones in the West Coast that have it right now. But yeah, just a really solid like block. Whether you want to grate it, slice it, melt it, eat it cold with crackers. Super versatile. Nice flavors.
Herbivorous butcher, of course.
Herbivorous always. We've got the ribs, got the steak.
Ooh, I love the clean south.
Clean South Buffalo. We've got Beehive is also really good from Nashville.
So
And
much
then
stuff.
Renegade, if you've never seen before, does these sausages, like a salami style, whatever, like hard for slicing. And yeah.
Cool. And then you got your hot
Every
sauces.
type of hot sauce. This is a sick one. It's like the Nukes Limited elderflower hot sauce. So you got your bacon, your eggs.
The vegan bacon right there. Look at that, guys. There's some legit vegan bacon. Seitan and tofurkey. Lots of that.
Oh, great. Very welcome.
Unchicks, unegg. Some more clean south. Oh, bitchin'. What else do we? Oh, Miyoko's got some new packaging here.
Simply eggless. Have you had that before? It's the cruelty-free
Yeah.
alternative to just egg.
Yeah.
We got Compton Vegan Ranch in here. Black-owned, LA-based.
Right there?
Compton Vegan, yeah.
Oh, that's
Also
too blown out.
Amazing, super thick, delicious.
Compton Vegan. Looks good.
Yeah, Lamel is the guy behind Compton Vegan. He's gonna open the first vegan restaurant, only vegan restaurant in Compton.
That's awesome. Butter? Vegan butter?
Yeah.
I like-
Fora butter is like, if, you want to be a professional baker, that's your.
I like the package.
It's nice. I think they're from New York, maybe.
That's where I'm from. Mucho. I haven't.
Murphy's Cheese Company. They've been working on that recipe for like 20 years.
Oh, okay.
It's good. Nasticas. So we just picked Follow Your Heart out of here.
They sold their
They
company.
sold their company to Dan, and then they fired everyone who worked at Follow Your Heart.
Oh, they did? Even the owners?
Maybe not. Yeah, I'm not sure about everyone, but
They-
they did fire a lot of people.
Wow. And then you have all kinds of like what, beauty products and
Yeah, good products. We got CBD, we got some of your essential vitamins, vegan collagen. If you like dyeing your hair, shelter in place for sure. We got deodorant.
your chips,
We got
bean fields.
popcorn, bean fields.
Ooh, I like these right there.
Cold pantry is cool. They're LA based. These are upcycled snacks, so they like take scraps left over from juicing and then they make chips out of them.
This is the waste room.
Yeah, vegan zero waste. So we've got again everything kind of like you need in your day-to-day life, but without packaging or refillable options. So we've got toothbrush made out of bamboo that'll break down over time. We've got recyclable like aluminum tube toothpaste, crush and brush, which is totally refillable little tablets that you chew. We've got dental floss with no beeswax that you can refill. You don't need a new plastic container every time. Meow Meow Tweed's awesome, woman-owned company, tons of like skincare, whether you want something for your face or your lips, or we've got deodorant from them as well. We've got all kinds of serums like for your hair. This is amazing if you shave. It's like a shaving cream, but in a bar form. So that's really nice. We've got reusable cotton rounds, which is kind of still blows my mind that there are disposable cotton rounds. But you use them on your face and wash them every week.
It's been a while since I've seen the David's toothpaste.
Yeah. Insect repellent, that's all refillable. If you look over here, this is kind of like the refill area.
So like somebody would come in with like a jar.
Whatever you can get, body wash, hand wash, face toner, insect repellent, body oil, the toothpaste, like cream. We've got the tablets. This is all deodorant. Then we've got just like package-free deodorant. And there's laundry detergent as well. Same thing. You just bring a jar or a bag or whatever.
And it says waste
Waste
not.
not, want not. We just had that painted by, so our sign painter, our resident sign painter, his name's Brian Yonke. Kind of in part with our goal to create a vegan economy, we hired a vegan Chilean sign painter. So he's done everything in Besties, everything in here, and it's been a really cool thing to be able to
So everything here is really truly as vegan as it gets.
Unbleached toilet paper, we got soap and shampoo bars, Q-tip made out of silicone. I've been using mine for like 8 months, I think.
Oh wow.
And it still looks totally new, which blows my mind a little bit.
So you use them and then you're able to clean it and then use it again.
I'll stand at the sink and use it and just rinse it off like literally with my 2 fingers in warm water in a second. I was very daunted by it. I think I took one home and I looked at it for like a month before I gave up my cotton one, and I will never go back. But super recommend. Reusable paper towels. We've got massive dish blocks. These are cool. No Talks Like This, a local woman-owned company. It's mother and daughter. But they are pretty innovative. So you look at dish soap that we buy for like a couple bucks at the grocery store that comes in a plastic bottle that we go through at least probably one a month. Not only did they remove the plastic from their soap, but they removed all the liquid from it as well. So you're not paying to have all that water transported from place to place. You're just transporting the actual ingredient that you need. So I commend them for that one. This is like the last razor you would ever need to buy. They make 2 of them, so I guess you would need the right one for you. But single blade razor, you just use the blades and then recycle them when you're done. And then the one over there is like a triple blade, it's like a Mach 3 sort of razor. Silicone straws, this is my favorite reusable straw. It's super easy to clean because you can just kind of squeeze it. And it also packs down really small. I have a hard time with like the full-size straws actually keeping them with me. But,
Well, there it is, guys. And it is this way to paradise. Okay, so this is
Frank's, vegan Frank's.
okay.
Also,
Turn it over.
Asia is the artist who designed lots of these.
And there's all the different choices you have.
We've got,
You designed these yourself.
yep, and it's the Animal Alliance logo on the back and our little Besties heart on the front.
And again, where does the proceeds go?
To Animal Alliance Network.
Awesome.
So they can keep holding vigils and doing all the other awesome demos and protests that they do.
And that's the first time that this logo has ever been on a shirt. They made pins and stickers, and Asia's an amazing artist. She does tattoo work, so
Who's
if you ever
this,
need
guys?
vegan tattoos, I just happen to be shopping here.
Yeah. Can anybody guys recognize who this mystery guy is?
I'll give you
Put it down in the comments below.
Oh yeah, you didn't know it was me, did you guys? We ran a campaign with bus benches. I'm Not Food, weekly pig vigils. You know, because the vigils really create vegans. When people come down there and look in the eyes of these amazing beings, they make that connection, and it's inevitable, and you can't resist seeing them and connecting and seeing that they're beings just like us. So this is awesome. We love Besties. This is the fam right here. I mean, if you guys saw the video, so many amazing things. It's like a kid in a candy store in here. We're about to get these Franks. Definitely be back for some soft serve. So they got it all here. Kombucha, you name it.
You got the vegan soft serve, which come and get your. So what kind of soft serve do you normally?
We do oat base. Traditionally we have chocolate and vanilla, but we switch it up and do fun flavors. So it was chai and coffee today for a dirty chai.
You got the vegan hot dog machine over here. Okay, so the hot dogs are done. I got the dirty Frank. We're gonna open this up. Check it out. I just love how they're wrapped up like that. It's onion, and that's not mustard, that's cheese. Vegan cheese on a pretzel bun. This is gonna be fun, guys. It's gonna be fun. All right, guys, so if you guys are ever in East Hollywood, definitely check out Besties. Stop in, say hi, grab some stuff, and thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Hot dog number 2 being opened by Adam. Ooh, that one looks, is that beet or that's kraut? That looks good, that's very photogenic.
The Maverick.
It's the Maverick.
Got the Dirty Frank with jalapenos. Got the logo right there, so gonna jump right in. Oh yeah, look at this. Ready? Boom, look at that.
It's just like mine, but jalapeno.
Pretzilla. Oh yeah.
Oh, and I got my taster with me today for the
Oh,
first
yeah.
time in a
So,
very
you know,
long time.
Gotta get rid of these to eat, so.
There's his beard.
Oh yeah, look at that. Got the little ramp right there. But check it out, we have Besties Vegan Paradise. We're about to eat these Franks. This is a dirty Frank with jalapenos added. Get that little heat in there. Oh yeah, you already know, check it out. Oh man, if I can get out of here. Woo, so this is Pretzilla. Oh man, it smells like amazing. Wow. All that flavor, that nacho cheese in there, the jalapenos. I mean, vegans, what do we eat? Spinach and tofu? Come on now. Especially out here in LA. And I heard it rained earlier because Chris was here. Oh yeah.